249. There it is. Good job out there, guys. You persevered. That's the deal.
No, got another boat. Number 3. Number 3, Jim and Ryan.
Jim and Ryan. It looks like a heavy bag, man. Wow. Okay.
Yeah, he's got a lot of water in there.
Boy, you're having some trouble with that. How many? You got a big bass to weigh?
4 pounds right now.
You can be 4? Okay. How many fish you got? You got 5. 5 fish, 5 alive. Weight to beat 12.58. Let's weigh them. 5 bouncies. 5 Wolf Lake bouncy balls. Ooh. We had it a minute. 10 point. Come on. You wanted that bounce. 10.81 marked.
Rich and Mitch, huh? Boat number 9.
Oh, here's the Bullock boys. 5 fish, 5 alive? Mitch, how'd you do today?
We got 5.
You got 5 big uns.
5 decent ones.
This is a look at the tension building in these anglers here. Wow. No 4s. That's a beating right there. Do you have ice in that box?
Yeah, we did this morning.
Man. No. 980. Mark it. That's it. Let's calculate the totals. Looks like we have a winner. We'll be right back up. Well, come on up, Cesar. Come on up. Fourth place, Tom and Dave, come on up, 4th place. 1081. Good job, gentlemen. 1081. Fattest one. Did that feel like a right amount? Hey, excellent, man. Good job, guys. One more, I'd have done it, man. One big one. 3rd place, Eric and Jeff. Easy and Icebox. Nice job, gentlemen. The whole wedding party's coming to weigh in. There you go, Easy and Icebox. 3rd place. Good job, guys. Excellent. Good job, gentlemen. Mitch, come on over this way a little bit as far as I can go. No, that's all right. I'm restricted. And let's get them to come in front of us and look at these guys for the 1st and 2nd place.
2nd place, Riches.
Bob and Clark, 2nd place. Come on up. Nice job, guys. Always consistent on Wolf Lake. 2nd place. Nice bag of fish. Good job, gentlemen. Excellent job. Go get some tacos and a cold one. See you later. 1st place. Kyle and Lou. Come on up, guys. 1st place. Yes, brutal. The first one's to weigh, too. Congratulations, gentlemen. Good job, Kyle. Excellent. Good job, Lou. There you go. You might as well stick around, guys. I think they got one more coming. You got the big payout today. You nailed it. 1st place and big bass. Hey, wait, we'll let him go through that. He's got like 7 million on him. Big bass count to 20, 40. 60, 80, it's growing. 100, he's going to keep going? 120, 140, give him another one. Let's give him another one. Come on, tournament, grease these guys. They did a good job. Hey, excellent job out there, Lou, Kyle. Happy birthday to your kids. Take care. See you later. Pat Renwick, Region Bass Buzz, Wolf Lake, event number 4 wraps up. Team Lou and Team Kyle come out victorious. This points race is wide open. Everybody's on the edge of their seats. Let's watch this whole thing unfold right in front of the region as we continue with event number 5 coming up in a couple weeks. We'll watch it right here. AM 1230, WJOB1230.com, Region Bass Buzz. Pat Renwick, Conservation Mike. We're out of here.